So in today's video, I want to actually show you how you can create a WhatsApp link. Now, a WhatsApp link is very good because you no longer have to tell somebody reach out to me on this. The person can just actually click on the link and reach out to you immediately. So it's going to be a practical video on how you can create a WhatsApp link for your business. And remember, it is basically for your business. So this is going to be a very short video, but I'd like to ask for a favor that after this video that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is going to be it's I would really appreciate, I would really love for that. So the first thing you have to do is to come to your Google browser, your Chrome browser, and type in create.wa.link. As you can see, it's clearly on my browser, create.wa.link, and click on it and wait for it to load. So this is it. Create WhatsApp link. WhaLink is the most popular WhatsApp link generator worldwide. What would you like to do today? Create a free WA link, get a branded WA, open WhatsApp chats. Why create WhatsApp links with WhaLink? Exactly what I said. To open a WhatsApp chat, you actually need to know the user's phone number, save it on your device, and search for it to start the conversation. A WhatsApp link simplifies the steps in one single click. Yes, that opens the chat without saving phone numbers. That is what is called click to chat. And with this, you can actually be able to, people can get to contact you instantly. There's no need trying to wait for your number to be saved on their phone first before they can reach out to you. They just click on it and they are with you already. On top of that, you can have official link for your business by subscribing to WhaLink Premium. That is if you want to create branded WhatsApp link. But if you don't want to do that, then that is just so for you to create your free WhatsApp link, you just come here. You have to leave out the side. Okay, they give out the step here. Say type the phone number which you want to be contracted. Remember to check your country code. Add a custom message that users will send to you. Click on generate my WhatsApp link. Copy it and use it anywhere you want. So we're going to just type a phone number. Let me type my phone number. I have one WhatsApp link, but I think I need to type another one. So what is the message you want people to see? If you're in the business of drop shipping, or you're a coach, you teach people, you say this is what you want to see. Okay, let me use this as let me just add my premium message. Hi Jane, I am interested in your telecom class. Now I'm on the journey to make I'm the journey to create telecom millionaires. I'm on the journey. My mission for this year is to create telecom millionaires, that is make millionaires by just doing VTU business. All right, where you sell data, sell airtime, subscribe cable, and the rest of that. If it's something you're very much interested in, just reach out to me and we'll get right to it. If you want to preview it, fine. If you don't want to preview it, fine. I'll just go on ahead to click on generate my WhatsApp link. Good. Our WhatsApp link has been created. You can then come here to copy the link. Copy. And that is how you can be able to create a WhatsApp link effectively. If you copy that link and send to anybody, you can be reached out to immediately, right? There's no need for make your number first see for my phone before I reach out to you, thereby delaying business for you. But once that link is there, they click on it directly and get to you. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of this video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. We are on the journey to 300 subscribers, and I cannot do this without you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.